What is weightlessness? Have you ever dreamed of floating in space like an astronaut? Well, that floating feeling is called weightlessness, and it's pretty wild experience. But what exactly is it? First, let's get a couple of things straight. Mass and weight. Your mass is the amount of stuff you are made of. It's constant no matter where you are. Your weight, however, is the force of gravity pulling on that mass. On Earth, gravity pulls you down, giving you weight. So, weightlessness is the sensation of having no weight. It's not that gravity disappears, but that you are in a state where you don't feel its pull. Imagine. Imagine you are in an elevator and the cable suddenly snaps. For a few terrifying seconds, you and the elevator would fall at the same rate. You would not be in free fall and you would not feel weightless inside the elevator. That's the same principle for astronauts in orbit. A spacecraft orbiting Earth is constantly falling towards the planet, but it's also moving forward so fast that it keeps missing. This continuous state of free fall makes everything inside, including the astronauts, feel weightless. To pull the gravity is perfectly balanced by the force of their orbital motion. Life in weightlessness is totally different from life on Earth. If something is not tied down, it just floats away. Eating and drinking require special techniques to stop food from escaping. Astronauts have to move carefully, even a gentle push can send them drifting across the cabin. Sleeping is strange too, as they float in their sleeping bags without feeling any pressure on their bodies. This lack of gravity can confuse the body. Some astronauts feel dizzy and nauseous at first because their inner air, which control balance, get mixed signals. Dust and crumbs don't settle, they just float around, which can be a problem. But the human body is amazing and adapts. To combat muscles and bone loss from not having to work against gravity, astronauts exercise for about 2 hours every day using special resistant machines. Here's a fun fact. Without gravity compressing their spines, astronauts can actually grow up to 2 inches taller in space. Don't worry, they shrink back to their normal height once they return to Earth. Beyond the challenges, weightlessness is a scientist's dream. It allows for unique experiments that are impossible on Earth. For instance, super pure metal alloys and perfect crystals can be grown in space, leading to amazing new technologies. So, weightlessness is not just about floating around, it's a key to unlocking new scientific frontiers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about weightlessness, hit that like button and subscribe for more space adventures. See you next time.